This is the card we're going to do today. This one is a pretty quick and easy card made with a couple of the add-ons from the Hero Arts August 2019 kit. In this card, we used the Cobblestone bold prints as well as the stained glass window stencil. And the sentiment is the Have a Magical Day sentiment from the main kit. And so let's begin. Okay, I've got a piece of Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock, and I'm going to be using my Hero Arts stained glass window stencil, which is one of the add-ons for the August 2019 kit. And then I'm going to start by putting some squeezed lemonade distress ink Okay, next, wilted violet, and next, festive berries, and this time I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. Okay, I'm going to go back to a clean brush now, and I'm going back to the squeezed lemonade, and we'll go back over the yellow area just to try and blend everything in really well. Okay, now I'm going to take some Shimmer Spritz and just spray it on the window. Okay, while this is drying, I'm going to go clean off my stencil. Okay, and I'm going to set this aside to dry. And I've got a sheet of Neenah 80-pound Desert Storm cardstock. I've cut it 4.5 by 6 inches. And I am going to use the Hero Arts Cobblestone bold prints. This is one of the add-ons of the August 2019 kit. And I'm just going to put it down on my glass media mat, and I'm going to ink it up with some Distress Oxide Frayed Burlap. Okay, now I'm going to place my Desert Storm cardstock carefully onto this. Next, I'm going to take my stained glass window panel and I'm going to trim it down. I didn't notice I wasn't recording when I put the ribbon onto the piece where the cobblestone is stamped on. And so this is just some ribbon I had in my stash, and I put the straight piece along it, and then for the bow, I just tied a little piece along the straight piece. Okay, now I'll use some foam squares to prop up my window. And I've stamped the Have a Magical Day sentiment from the main kit. And I will also use my foam dots or foam squares to prop this up. And I've got one of the pre-made card bases you can get at Hobby Lobby. This one is in a beige color, and it's 6.5 by 5 inches is the size of the finished card. And I will just glue this onto the card base. And as the final touch, I have some sequins in my stash. And here is the finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!